Hi guys, how you doing? It's been a while. So I'm now in the control tower of the bridge. I'm currently having some fun speeding up main motors. That's my main motor curve. So this is the screens. Brightness on them is a bit crap. You can't see my reflection, I guess. But, I don't exactly electrical. See, I'm having some fun. Let's be as funny. Pretty cool stuff. Pretty nice setup. So you raise and lower the bridge from there. Thought I'd give you a quick update. There's no one to. So yeah, pretty fun stuff really. My setup. It's a really nice view, to be honest. I can't really record whilst I'm raising and lowering because I got a lot of stuff to focus on at the moment. But I'll record when someone else raises and lowers.